Hey guys, good morning. It is February 25th. I believe it's a Tuesday. Yep, it's a Tuesday. So today is Fat Tuesday. For those of you who don't know, who are not Catholic or anything, Fat Tuesday is basically the day before Ash Wednesday, and Ash Wednesday is when they do a cross with ashes on your forehead, and that is the start to Lent. Lent is the time of year where Catholics give up something, and we give it up from like tomorrow basically all the way up until Easter. And yeah, I have no idea what I'm gonna give up. It is gonna be really hard for me to pick something, but we'll just see throughout the day if I come up with something. I'm actually going to be balancing you right here on this bubbly can. On this bubbly can right here. They're like making them really tall now. Jeez. But yeah, you're going to be balancing right there, and that's actually a really good height, I feel like, for you to see. I'm going to be doing my hair. I'm just going to be doing a time lapse of that. And yeah, it is my kind of day off. It's my day off from the hospital. But as you all know, if you watch my other videos, I actually started a job at a chiropractor's office. I have to be there at 10 o'clock. Right now it is 8:48. And yeah, just wish me luck with my hair situation. I look like Twisted Sister right now. And yeah, really big hair. So let's just start the time lapse. Okay, so I just filled out my ballot.
Oh my, she's on me. Quit it, you crazy. Get off of me. Elizabeth, go get my stuff.
Mom.
I was thinking we should just go get a Southwest salad instead of going to... I haven't had one of those for a while. You? And where do you get it from?
Blackjack Pizza.
Where?
Blackjack Pizza.
Oh, don't breathe on me. Get off of me. Okay. Are you going to mail that, or are you going to take it to the land library? What are you going to do? You know what? You got to see if there's a delivery box, you know, on the prairie by the fair. How you go through that horseshoe kind of driveway. There's a drop-off box right there. Do you know what I mean by the entrance?
No.
On prairie? Yeah, you just drive through there. Don't touch me. You're cold.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
I like this Swiss cheese.
And did I give you a card? But so far I have some things. For those of you who don't know, I am moving. So, I'm moving. So I got a bath mat from Costco. I got this filter. I got these super cute bowls from Costco as well. Super cute. Yeah, she thought they were really cute too. And then I got this at TJ Maxx. It's another holder for my makeup because I need better storage options. And I will be, yes, more storage options. Okay. So, better storage. Yes, I need better storage. More. Whatever. But anyway, I will be showing you. I'm probably going to be showing them like how I'm going to be decorating my room, that whole process, you know.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And isn't she the best wife ever? She got my dad this hat for the game next month. Aren't you so nice and sweet and thoughtful?
There's no game.
There's a game.
We're not going.
You're not going.
Well, guess I'm not.
No, because you don't like hockey. And she's over here complaining about pizza. So I'm gonna go. Because it's Fat Tuesday. It's Fat Tuesday.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Mom, bye.
Wait. You don't have my card.
Okay, so like I said, I'm on my way to go pick up TK right now. I think we might go bowling. I don't know. That's kind of up in the air. I am so not hungry, especially after lunch. I mean, I had fettuccine Alfredo, and I also had like 2 servings of the salad, and I had a breadstick, and then I also had that watermelon margarita with, did I have any of my water? Jeez. I hope I did. I don't know. I have really bad memory even without, you know, having something to drink, so I'm actually going to be moving in and being roommates with one of my friends from high school. She was literally the first friend from high school I ever had. She's the longest friend I've ever had. I think we've known each other 9 or 10 years now, but that shouldn't be for about a little less than a month. I really need to go through all of my things. I need to organize my stuff. I need to get my ish together, especially if I'm gonna be adulting. You know, this is gonna be just a new experience for me, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along for this journey with adulthood and stuff. But I will talk to you guys in a little bit.
Tomorrow.
Hey guys, so I actually did not finish vlogging for the rest of the day yesterday, but my mom and I are actually going to be heading out to get our first fish sandwich for Lent. It is the first day of Lent. It is Ash Wednesday. I have not gone to get my ashes yet. And I actually signed up to go to work for a shift tonight at 4:30, so I'm probably not gonna get my ashes later at 7 o'clock mass. So I'm just not gonna get ashes. I'm just waiting on her. So I just got out of work. I went in at 8:30. I got off not too long ago at 1 o'clock. I signed up for a shift at my other job. So I'm going to be headed out there soon, later today. There's actually a meeting, but I do not want to go. So it's supposed to be my day off anyway. I'm not going. So yeah, we're going out for fish sandwiches for our first official day of Lent. And yeah, we're just going to be taking you with us. Okay, so I just found this. It is for me from FedEx, and it actually has all of the clothes that I ordered from SHEIN. So I am very excited about this. I am actually going to be doing a SHEIN haul. Should I do a SHEIN haul in this vlog, Mom? So how was the fish sandwich? Did you like it? Did you like it? Did you like it? Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
Wow.
I like a shrimp taco.
Wow, well next time we'll go for shrimp tacos and not a fish sandwich on Friday. I don't know. The last time I had a fish taco or anything like that was actually in Phoenix. I'd love to go to Phoenix. Maybe. And we are going to be doing the haul from FedEx from SHEIN. So the first thing that's right here, I am so excited for this. This is a black mesh dress. I'm gonna actually take it out of the bag because I need to try it on a little bit later, but this dress was super, wow, what the heck? Let's see if I even like the dress after this. But I plan on wearing this dress to the Dress to Express party at HCI in Charlotte, North Carolina, and it's just a really poofy kind of tulle dress, so I'm gonna have to try that on later. I got some jackets and everything for work, so I have to look more professional at work because I hardly have any clothes like that. So I'm just gonna show you these pants that I got. Camo is in right now, so I had to get these pants. They're really cute. They have this elastic band. I got a few halter tops for the office. Let me see. But here is the first halter top. It's like a floral mesh. Not a mesh, like a crochet. Then I got this halter top. I think it's cute, huh?
Oh yeah, that is.
Yeah.
Pretty color.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you're not wearing my clothes. I'll get you something for Mother's Day from SHEIN, okay? And what is this? Okay, so this... Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to wear an undershirt for this because it's really thin. Yeah. Or a bralette or something underneath. But I'm gonna have to do that because it's really thin. But I thought the color was really cute. I didn't think it was gonna be this thin though. I'm gonna have to try it on just to see, you know, if I want to send this back. See, with SHEIN clothes, I feel like it's either a hit or a miss. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, I like majority of the things that I've bought off of SHEIN. There's only, I want to say I've only sent back 2 things. First, it was that black jumper, you know, because it was too thin of a material. And then there was this sweater that I thought I would like, but I ended up not liking it at all. And it's like a bomber jacket, and it looks really breathable in the material. What do you think?
Oh, that's a jacket? I told you I didn't like that.
Oh, I liked it. Okay, so.
Hello, Wayne said he will be there at 9:45.
phone.
Thank you. Bye-bye. What?
So, the dress.
What? No, I don't
This
need to be in
looks
it.
cheaper right here, you know? I feel like if it was pinned up higher, it would look better, you know? But because it's like that, it looks cheap. And then like up here, it makes me look really wide and it's stiff and weird. I thought it would look different, you know? It doesn't look exactly like the website, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. So, I feel like if it were pinned like right here, it would look better. And then this is too stiff. So I'm gonna have to find another option. I'm actually gonna be trying on the rest of the clothes, so I will let you know. Okay, so I like the top and I like the pants, but I don't like them together. Because this top is supposed to be like longer and I don't like that with these pants. I want it to be like where the band shows. Okay, so this is the last shirt that I'm going to be trying on. I think it's cute. My mom really likes it. Like the sleeves bother me a little bit because they're like 3/4 inch sleeves. But when I put my arms down, it feels like it's supposed to be longer, you know? But we'll just have to wait and see. I'm keeping everything except for this dress and this shirt, because this shirt, it was like see-through in the back and I just can't have that. So I'm gonna be sending these back for store credit. But everything else, like this shirt, this shirt, this shirt, the shirt that I have on, and the pants, I'm going to be keeping.
Later.
Hey guys, so I am actually back from work. I came home at about 8 o'clock. Right now it is 10:01. I just finished watching Chicago Fire and Chicago PD. I missed Chicago Med because it was on at 7, but it's fine. I don't really care. I'm so tired, as you can clearly tell by the look on my face. So I am just going to be going to bed. And yeah, I hope this video was a little bit entertaining for you. I cannot wait to start vlogging even more. I will see you guys later. Bye. Good night.